Welcome to the arena, our stadium, our home, a place that's usually bursting with atmosphere from you, the fans. As we're counting down the days to the new season, who better than to talk to than the skipper himself, Dusan Tadic. On today's agenda, we'll be discussing the fans, the home of the supporters, and Dusan's relationship with them. Let's go meet the skip. This is the home of the supporters. I can hear the sound of the music already. Let's get inside and meet the big man. What's up, man?
Yeah, nothing. You?
How are you?
Good. You?
You good?
Good.
Well, look, one of my favorite moments was celebrating the 34th title at Museum Plein. You dancing around. Was the dancing pre-planned or was it improvised?
No. Of course not, of course not. This was just special moments and emotion, such an important title and beautiful year for us. And then when you see so many Ajax fans, you know, like you get exciting and emotions and everything, and you just get crazy.
It was such a special moment. If you look closely, you can see Hakim and David Neres doing your dance on the side as well. Did you know that?
Yes.
You knew.
After I saw. It's what I say, crazy, special moments, and I say lucky that they were like far away from us. Otherwise, I think I jump in.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, we're at the home of the supporters, this special place. I mean, you were actually here on opening night as well. You've always been an admirer of Ajax. How special was it to be here on opening night?
Yeah, it was really special, and I'm very thankful that we have this kind of supporters, and it's nice to be in their house, our house. I think this is house of all Ajax supporters, and it's great, and it's nice to see these all things because. Remind you how big Ajax history is and how every game is special for our supporters, and we need to be respectful about that.
That's it. Okay, well, we're at this beautiful place. Let's get some history. I want to know a bit about this place.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you know about the tram here?
Not so much.
Yeah?
No.
No? Well, here's Marcel. Marcel, can you tell us a bit about the history of this tram here?
The tram from number 9 is going from the central station to the Ajax stadium, and all the supporters come with the tram and go to the stadium and go back home with the tram. The tram is now, for us, is a DJ booth. The DJ is always with the games inside the booth. So we play the music for all the people who are inside.
That's awesome.
Nice.
Can we get inside?
Yeah, of course we can go inside.
Why not? Is there space for both of us? Or?
Yeah. You can be DJ.
Nice. Tadic on fire. This is sick. Okay, man. Okay, let's take a look at some more history in here. This one, particularly special. This was after the PAOK game, after you qualified for the Champions League. How important are the fans in big moments like this? How much do they push you on?
Yeah, very important, and one of the most important triggers, because what I say, we always, before game, we talk, we need to make atmosphere warm, and need to be chemistry between us and fans, because in the end they can give you extra energy and you can go over your limits, and because of that always you need to feel that togetherness, because together you win prizes.
That's it. Let's continue to walk through, because I think there's some other special kits. This is the shirt. This is the shirt. After Ajax Real Madrid, I mean, L'Equipe gave you a 10 out of 10 for this game. You know how special that is? They've only given out like 11 in history.
Koek. Oh, doe het. Hij kan erin. En het is 0-3.
Didn't you want to keep this shirt a little bit, or?
No, I think it's really special to be here, and it's nice to be in a supporter's home.
Tadic, goal!
I think was a great match for all Ajax players and from all team, from everyone, and for supporters. We will always remember that game. It was very special, and yeah, this kind of shirt will always remember us about this kind of games.
Fair enough. I mean, this is the place where our supporters prepare for every match. Now we're in the preseason. You guys are preparing for the season. How's preseason going for you?
Yeah, it's going well. We work hard, and yeah, after this whole crazy time, we need to work hard and to be ready when matches start. And that's it. We need to be best possible ready when season starts.
In the best possible shape. Is that
Yes,
it?
yes.
Well, look, I want to get some exercise in. Let's walk to the F side now.
Okay.
Let's go.
Nice.
Before we even go to the stadium, we got some merchandise here. What do you want? Like a cap, a scarf? What do you think?
Oh, give me a T-shirt.
T-shirt.
Yes.
Right. What size are you?
Medium.
We're taking this one.
Okay.
Yeah? This is a good one?
Nice.
Vibes. Put this one on and let's go,
Okay.
huh?
Good.
Yeah. Now it's official. Now it's official. Let's go.
Nice.
Looks good, huh?
Yes. Hey.
This one. All right. We gotta climb, Dusan. We gotta climb.
Yes.
It's okay though, huh? You're fit.
Yeah, no problem.
Right, so you've played in 3 different countries. In Serbia, at Southampton, now here at Ajax. Talk to me a bit about the difference in the fans.
Yeah, everywhere is a little bit different, you know.
Yeah.
And how bigger is club, then it's more pressure and bigger fans, you know. In Ajax, is the biggest club and have most fans, and I think it's most special.
Yeah, okay. And in terms of intensity, what was it like from Serbia to Holland?
Yeah,
Fans?
yeah, it was nice. I think also in Serbia they are very fanatic supporters.
Yeah.
But here also, and yeah, it's nice to experience both, you know.
Yeah, it's good that we need a break now. We're at the top. Breathe.
Yes.
Right, let's go in.
Okay.
We're inside now. Let's go here. All right, what a nice view this is, huh?
Yeah, amazing. So special stadium and so nice.
It's a bit of a shame because we're in the F side now. It's a bit of a shame that it won't get to full capacity this season. It'll be a bit strange without the fans.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I think it's a shame because football without fans is not football.
Yeah.
Because football is emotion and you need to feel emotion from the fans. Like even if you do some good moment or bad moment, you know, like you need to feel that with the supporters. And yeah, I think football without supporters is nothing.
Yeah, of course. It's a bit difficult. Well, let's go down. There's some special spots here. One that you wanted to show me up there specifically.
Yes.
Let's go there. Okay, so here we have our most fanatic fans. What are these fans? How special are these fans for you?
Yeah, very special because what you say, they're most fanatic and yeah, it's always nice to see them and they really drive us and they push us to our limits, you know.
Okay, so what is this that you brought me to?
Yeah, this is normally Amsterdam Ultras is here and normally Danny is here.
Okay.
It's easy to recognize him because he is bald. But, and also in 125, they are old school of Amsterdam supporters, Ajax supporters, and they see so many trophies and they see so many history of this club, and yeah, it's really special, I think, all tribune. And
Fair enough. Why don't you jump in here?
Okay.
Like, can you be Danny for the day? Danny with hair.
Yeah.
Maybe. That's what they say.
difficult, but
Yeah.
okay.
How's it feel?
He always look me bigger. I understand why now.
Like larger than life. usually,
Yes,
you know?
yes.
Okay, Dusan, now that I have you in the stadium, I have to know about the warm-up routine. Usually the rest of the team goes inside, you stay out, you shoot a couple balls on goal. What's that about?
Oh, it's nothing, just for my feeling. Always I shoot 2-3 balls, and I always did that, and yeah, that's it.
Okay. Well, now we're warming up for the season. What are your goals and expectations for the season?
Yeah, Ajax always have high expectations. We want to be champions of Holland. We want to we want to win a cup, and also in Champions League we want to compete. We want to go round by round, and then we will see what happens.
Fair enough, my man. Well, it's been nice to talk to you.
Yes, also.
Captain, my captain. I'll
Yes.
see you around, man.
Okay.
All the best for the
Yeah,
season.
thank you.
Ciao,
Also.
ciao.
Ciao, ciao.